Okay, so at first I had the snap-on ratchet and socket set, one in front of the other to save room. No, to take up more room. But instead I'm just going to double stack them. And I moved all my ratchets around as well. So my low profile sockets and ratchet sets, wait. 13. Oof. How the hell that happened? There was a magnet stuck inside of here. Well, never mind, I double stacked them. So it gives me a little bit more room. So I think I could honestly fit another smaller set in here as well. And then once I fully fill this, well, I can stack even more honestly, because how high up this top chest piece goes in here. So I can stack more of these after I buy more. And then if I run out of room up here, then I got a whole nother spot I can shove them right down here as well. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload, live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes videos where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out. On top of that, I moved some of my extensions and adapters around as well. Trying to get as much room cleared so I can fit more stuff in here. Without no problem. So honestly, I can stack some more on top of here. Wait, let me rearrange this better. That's a better idea. That right there, that right there. And I can still stack a few more on top of this. 2 sets. And then I can show you all the other sets I'm looking at getting. And fill up the rest of this whole area. And then if I fill up the rest of this area, then I got this whole area for the other sets as well. So yeah, that's my whole crazy game plan, so you guys know. All of the low profile ratchets and sockets I'm looking at. Or I may just be able to get the master set only for each and be perfectly fine. I'll just have to see. I'll just have to look into it exactly. But then if I were to get them all, so then this is how much it would be, but I need to look through all the other socket sets and see if I'm better off just getting the masters or each individual set as well. I'll just have to look into it. But then hopefully you guys understand. Sorry, bye guys. I'm out. And then I'm going to buy this. there's a bunch of other things as well that I've found through YouTube that I want to get. Golly, nearly 4 grand and stuff I want. That's not including everything I found on YouTube as well. So I hope you guys understand. Bye guys. Peace. I'm out. And then get safety classes and a bunch of other tools that I found through YouTube shorts and a bunch of other places as well. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know about that as well. But I will keep you guys posted on everything else I want from Snap-on. I really don't want to go Cornwall. I'd rather go Snap-on, even though it's more expensive than Cornwall. Even though my brother said I should stick away from pool trucks brands and instead just buy from Harbor Freight. But it's my money. But once I get a good job and I can keep steady at the amount that I have right now in the bank, I don't mind, because I want to fully top out my top chest.